What's up, YouTube? It's your boy James back with another banger. And today we're going to take a look at the newly released Pittsburgh Penguin version of the 2021 Reverse Retro Jersey. So for the NHL's 2021 season, all 31 teams have an alternate jersey for the first time in league history. And the plan for the NHL is to have all the teams wear these jerseys multiple times this upcoming season. And you're going to see your favorite team rocking these jerseys when they're going up against their most hated rivals. And since all 31 NHL teams did get an alternate retro jersey, some of these jerseys that these teams are going to be wearing this year are really dope. And some not so much. But this particular version that we're looking at today is the Sidney Crosby Pittsburgh Penguin version, and this is the Authetic one that retails for $240. Now there is two versions of this jersey for sale, and that is the $240 version that we're looking at today, and they also have a $180 replica version available as well. Now this Pittsburgh Penguin Reverse Retro Jersey is throwing it back to the 1997 season in the days of Lemieux and Yager when they wore this jersey but in black with the Pittsburgh going diagonally down the middle of the jersey. And that jersey in 1997 was a fan favorite of many Penguins fans and is still today one of the most sought after jerseys that any Pittsburgh Penguin fan can obtain. So if you're a fan of the Pittsburgh Penguins or you're thinking about picking up this jersey, then I hope that this review can help you out. So in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this jersey. I'm going to do a full detail review, I'm going to hit you with an on body, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts and opinions on this 2021 Pittsburgh Penguins Reverse Retro Jersey. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you for watching all the videos. I really do love you guys. But if this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could do that thing I like and destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. So as soon as I seen the pre-order pop up for this jersey, I hopped on this immediately. I'm a huge Pittsburgh Penguins fan. When I was a little kid, I used to watch Mario, who's a god, and Jaromir Jagr just destroy the NHL, with all these goals and all these awesome plays, doing just basic unhuman-like things. And as a really small child, I watched them win 2 Stanley Cups, and they had me hooked from a very young age. So in the mid to late 90s, when the Penguins were wearing, the original jersey, it was black and it had the diagonal Pittsburgh going down it, that was a really popular jersey in the city of Pittsburgh. And if you guys remember, Snoop Dogg actually wore that jersey in the Gin and Juice video. So it wasn't only just popular here in the city of Pittsburgh, it was popular, in culture in general. So whether you were a hockey fan or not, Pittsburgh Penguin gear was fire. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, the NHL has released jerseys for all 31 teams in this reverse retro product line. Now, some are really dope and some are, garbage. But I'm a Pittsburgh Penguin fan, so I did cop this Sidney Crosby jersey, and I got this from pensgear.com, and I paid $240 for this. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to open this bad boy up. It's just, a piece of plastic. And some tissue paper. And BAM! Now, I don't buy many white jerseys, but this was a definite must-cop for my collection. And, just from judging the pictures, I didn't know how I really felt about it. It kind of threw me off with the white. I'm so used to seeing this jersey in black, from back in the day. But now that I got it in hand and everything, this jersey is pretty fire. And I also haven't been the biggest fan of Adidas, ever since they took over making the NHL jerseys. But so far, my first impression, this thing is pretty dope. But now that I got this jersey out of the bag, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at the details of this 2021 Pittsburgh Penguins Reverse Retro Jersey. So here's our first up-close look at the Sidney Crosby jersey. So starting inside of the neckliner, you're going to have that PIT, which is an abbreviation for Pittsburgh. And then you're going to have that reverse retro logo. And then you're going to have the number 97. So the 97 means that this is the year that the Penguins are paying tribute to. So this is a 97 tribute. So no matter if you buy a Penguins jersey or if you buy, a different team, you're going to have that team's abbreviation followed by the Reverse Retro logo, and then the year of the jersey that the team is paying tribute to. Directly below that, you're going to have your Made in Indonesia, then you're going to have your Adidas logo, and this is a size 50, which is a medium in men's. And directly below that, you're going to have your Aero Ready lettering. Now in the center of the neckliner, you're going to have this NHL shield, which is stitched into the jersey, and that is a silver and black. And that thing is dope, really nice touch, and I really like the way that they do those on these jerseys. Then you're going to have a whole bunch of tags, so you're going to have your NHL official licensed product hologram tag. Then you're going to have your NHLPA.com tag. You're going to have your Aero Ready tag. And there is no retail price tag on this because I bought this directly from the Penguins. Now on each side of the shoulders, you're gonna have your Penguin logo, and this doesn't have the, the normal triangle that it normally has behind it. And that's on both sides, and that's all stitched on both sides. Now on the left-hand side of the chest, you're gonna have your captain's patch, and that is stitched all the way around. On each side of the sleeves, you're gonna have an 87 that is stitched. And then you have that yellow, white, and black sleeve. In the center of the jersey, you're gonna have that Pittsburgh lettering that goes all the way down to the bottom. And that is all stitched. Beautifully done. Looks really good. On the bottom left-hand side of the jersey, you're gonna have this Adidas Reverse Retro tag that is embroidered into the jersey. Then inside of the jersey, you're gonna have this fight strap that is embroidered inside of the jersey here. And if you buy the cheaper $180 version, you will not get this. So this is a nice touch, one of the added bonuses of paying the $240 for the jersey. And then inside of the jersey, you're gonna have your laundry tag. So your Adidas size 50, made in Indonesia. And on the other side, you'll have all your laundry instructions. And now we're gonna move to the back of the jersey. So starting at the top, you're gonna have your Adidas logo that is embroidered into the back. Then directly below that, you're gonna have your Crosby lettering that is embroidered and in black, and that looks pretty good. And then directly below that, you're gonna have your number 87, and that's all embroidered and stitched. And as you can see, right here, we have some quality issues. So you have that thread that is just, all misplaced and just, looking terrible. And that's my biggest gripe with Adidas, the quality for what you pay for these Authentics, I don't know. People could say what they want about Nike, but I can guarantee you that the Nike jersey wouldn't look like this if they made this. And then there's like a couple little imperfections on the 8 here. I don't know. But it is stitched, really well outside of that. And I'm not going to nitpick it too much. But, that is my biggest gripe with Adidas. I just feel like their quality control could be way better for what they're charging for these jerseys. Overall, I do like the jersey. I think Adidas and the Penguins did a really good job paying tribute to that 97 jersey, that mid-90s jersey that we all love. The thing about Adidas, though, that kind of irks me about these hockey jerseys, ever since they took over the contract, every time I buy the Authetic, which I spend a lot of money on, they're $200 plus. This one was $240. There's always issues with the craftsmanship as far as, the threading and stuff like that on every single one I ever bought. They're never perfect. And I'm not going to nitpick it too much. I mean, overall, I'm glad I do have this jersey in my collection. Overall, it is in pretty good shape, so. But let me go ahead and throw this thing on and show you what it looks like on body. Now when it comes to sizing, I actually scaled down here. I used to buy the 52, which was a large, which is what I wear in, NFL jerseys or t-shirts or any shirts really. I'm normally a large. But the jersey was always so big on me with these Adidas NHL jerseys. The sleeves were super, super long. So I actually got a 50 in this one and it fits a lot better. The sleeves are still a little bit long, but I'm a little dude, so that's to be expected a little bit. So, just keep that in mind. I've seen a lot of people complain online about the sleeves being really, really long on the jerseys, and that's just the way that Adidas is making them, I guess. But you know, I did scale down, so this is a size 50. I did go down one size, and I think this jersey does fit a lot better than the previous Adidas NHL jerseys that I've bought in the past. But I want to know what you think of this jersey. Do you think that this is a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Is this trash? Let me know down in the comments below, and let me know if you're planning on picking one of these jerseys up if you're a Penguins fan, or if you're picking up a different reverse retro jersey from another team. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please destroy that like button for me. And if you're new here or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace!